Hi there, Wes. Today I'm going to read Pete the Cat and the Super Cool Science Fair. And this is by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete cannot wait for Friday. His school is having a science fair. Pete has never been a scientist. Now he can try it out. Pete's teacher tells the students they will do experiments in groups. Pete is in a group with Callie, Gus, and Squirrel. Our experiment is going to be groovy, says Pete. What should we do? Let's build a mini submarine, says Callie. Or grow a giant tree, says the squirrel. Or invent an invisible guitar, says Pete. Why don't we make a volcano? Asks Gus. Whoa, they all say. Volcanoes are awesome. Yes, third graders at West know that volcanoes are awesome. The group plans the experiment at Pete's house. His mom brings them snacks. Would any scientists like a cookie? She asks. They all raise their hands. The cookies are warm and gooey. The scientists check the big book of experiments for materials. They need glue, water, newspaper paint, and a plastic bottle for the volcano. They need vinegar, baking soda, liquid dish soap, and a secret ingredient for the lava. Pete and Gus mix the glue and water. Squirrel and Callie tear the strips of newspaper. And they cover the plastic bottle with glue and paper. It looks like a sticky volcano. Oh, no! The paint in the brown bottle is blue. What are we going to do? Asked Callie. They can't find brown paint anywhere. Well, that's pretty cool, says Pete. Maybe we can have a blue volcano. Why not, right? Why not? We'll be the only group with a blue volcano, says Squirrel. Let's test the lava so we know the volcano will erupt at the science fair, Pete says. So Gus pours baking soda and liquid dish soap into the volcano, and Callie adds the vinegar. Nothing happens at first. And then all of a sudden, a lot of lava starts coming out. Super cool, says Callie. The team high-five each other. But the lava is still coming out. Soon it is a huge mess. Oh, Mom isn't going to be happy, says Pete. At least the scientists, though, are ready for the fair on Friday. When Pete and his team arrive at the fair, they see all the other groovy experiments. They all look awesome. Grumpy Toad and Octopus grew rock candy in a jar. Emma and Marty made slime. We don't stand a chance, said Gus. Don't worry, we have the secret ingredient, says Pete. Oh, I wonder what the secret ingredient is. What do you think it is? Let's see. At the science fair, Pete's teacher loves the blue volcano. Wait till you see it erupt, says Pete. The whole class watches Callie pour vinegar into the volcano. A second later, glitter lava rushes out of the volcano. Everyone cheers. The scientists cheer the loudest. Science experiments are hard work, says Pete, but being on an awesome team makes them a whole lot easier. And this says, coolest experiment of the science fair. And that's the end. Thanks for listening to Pete the Cat and the Super Cool Science Fair by James Dean and Kimberly. Look for more Pete the Cats. I do have this other really great brand new book called Pete the Cat. Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Kindness. And it says tips from a cool cat on how to be kind. So remember, if you have any read-alouds that you would like me to read, just post them in the comments or email me and we'll get them going. Have a great weekend.